Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashion Designs. Friends, I hope you are all in good health. Please stay home and stay safe. Friends, today I am here with a new video. Before start the video, I request you, if you are new at my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon and watch the video till end. So today I am here with a new video. In this video there are girl hairstyle designs. These are the latest hairstyle designs. I hope that you must like these designs. I hope these designs are look so pretty and beautiful on your baby girls. If you guys are already my subscribers, so I am very thankful to you for watching my videos. So friends, I hope you must like my video and also support me. Guys which are new at my channels, please subscribe and support me. Your support is very essential for my videos, for my channel, for me. Guys, I again request you, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos so you guys can get notification about my videos. So guys, I hope you like this video. These designs are latest and beautiful and pretty. Your baby girls look so pretty and beautiful in these designs. Your beautician easily make these designs for your baby. So kindly like my video, share with your friends, with your family, with your relatives, and give your feedback in comment section. This is very important. I already tell you this is very important for me. I hope that you guys understand why this is important for me. So guys, take care of yourself and your family, and don't go outside the home. Stay home, stay safe. Inshallah, I will back with a new video. So take care. Allah Hafiz.